Hi, I'm the word historian and this is the etymology of Bluetooth. This technology was first introduced in 1989 and allows us to wirelessly connect our devices together, but did you know that the name came from the Danes? Oh, and most of my viewers are not subscribers, so if you like this video then like and subscribe. It's free and you can always change your mind. Thank you and enjoy the video. First off, Bluetooth is defined as a standard for the short-range wireless interconnection of mobile phones, computers, and other electronic devices. But you knew that, didn't you? So where did Bluetooth come from? This goes back to the 10th century when Harald Bluetooth was the king of Denmark. Bluetooth is actually a nickname and there are two main theories on how he got this name. One was that he had a black tooth, and in this time period blue meant blue-black or dark colored. The second explanation was that he was called the Blue Thane, or the Dark Thane in England. He is most famous for uniting all the Viking tribes in Denmark, and this became the core reason why Bluetooth got its name, since Bluetooth was the technology that would unite different devices together. The idea was proposed in 1997 by Jim Cardock and was influenced by Bluetooth because he was reading a historic novel called The Long Ships, which was about Vikings and King Harald Bluetooth. Harald's initials being H and B in runic looks like this, and if you superimpose them on top of each other, you get the logo we are all familiar with today. Today, Bluetooth is in pretty much every piece of technology. It's actually pretty hard getting a pair of headphones that doesn't have some sort of Bluetooth capability, since some phones don't even have headphone jacks anymore. What do you think about Bluetooth? Let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed it. Oh, and ring that bell for notifications. I hope you learned something new. This was the etymology of the word Bluetooth. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.